Hi, my friends, Emily is here, and you are listening to me through the ASFP channel. And as they say, learn from others' mistakes, not your own. Yours might be the last. Today we're going to discuss a failed marketing story and learn the reasons behind its failure. Let's go. In October 2010, Gap, the iconic American clothing retailer, decided to update its logo for the first time in over 20 years. The original logo, a classic white serif font on a blue box, was replaced with a more modern design, featuring a bold Helvetica font and a small blue gradient square in the upper right corner. The intention was to refresh the brand's image and make it more contemporary. What went wrong? Alienating loyal customers. Gap's original logo was not just a brand identifier, but also a symbol that had built emotional connections with customers over decades. The sudden change was jarring for many loyal customers who felt a sense of loss and betrayal, as the new design did not resonate with them. Lack of consumer engagement. The redesign was rolled out with little to no input or feedback from customers. The new logo was simply unveiled, without any prior engagement or explanation, leaving consumers confused and unhappy. The lack of transparency and involvement made the change feel arbitrary and disconnected from the brand's identity. Negative public reaction. The reaction to the new logo was overwhelmingly negative. Social media erupted with criticism, and within days a make-your-own Gap logo website was created, allowing users to mock the redesign. The backlash was swift and intense, with many customers and design professionals deriding the new logo as generic, uninspired, and unnecessary. Rapid retraction. Just 6 days after the new logo was introduced, Gap announced that it would revert to the original design due to the overwhelming negative feedback. The quick reversal made the company appear indecisive and out of touch with its audience. Outcome: the logo redesign was a costly misstep for Gap, both financially and in terms of brand image. The company's hasty retreat back to the original logo highlighted a disconnect between the brand and its customers. This incident became a case study in how not to handle brand redesign. Lessons learned: engage customers, seek input to avoid backlash and create buy-in. Respect brand equity. Handle iconic logo changes with care. Test changes. Test with a segment of your audience before a full rollout. The Gap logo fiasco is a classic example of how even well-intentioned changes can backfire if they're not properly planned and executed, especially when they involve an element as central to the brand identity as a logo. We've reached the end of this video, my friends. This was Emily, and you are listening to me on the ASFP channel. Do not forget to support us by subscribing and liking, and write what you want to discuss in the comments. Thank you all. See you later.